Hello guys, and welcome to GosTech. Today I will learn you how to delete or deactivate your Facebook profile. Click on your profile on the right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Then click on See More in Account Center. Click Personal Details. Click Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your profile you want to delete. Choose if you want to delete or deactivate your profile. Choose a reason why are you deleting your profile. Continue. Type your profile password and continue. Delete profile. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.